What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Tyson. Now I will admit it has been a long time since I've actually picked up the camera and filmed stuff for YouTube, and the car has changed substantially. Last time you guys saw the car, it was actually in running and driving condition, and well, now it is completely tore down. Basically what happened was my dad took off all the body panels of the car by himself one night, and then we decided to sandblast the whole car. As you can see, sand. And the sandblasting worked well on places that had like singular coats of paint and stuff, but it didn't really do too good of a job on the Bondo. So I will play you guys some clips from sandblasting, and what I will be working on right now is taking down the rest of this car. So as you can see, there is still lots of stuff that needs to be taken down either by hand or by power tools. But basically the car is taken down, all the body panels are off and stuff, the interior is out of it. Give you a quick little walk around. The engine bay is cleaned up, and as you can see, like, there is places that have started to rust already. You can see especially good on this hood, it has started to rust. And that's just from the water from sandblasting and then the metal not being protected. Here's another thing I wanted to show you guys. My dad pre-ordered the tires and wheels for this car. This is a rear tire. It is a 295/55 on a 15-inch rim, Mickey Thompson Street SS. ET Street SS. Quite a large and very aggressive looking tire. I really like them. And on the front he went with 255/60. And here's the transmission and the engine that we took out. We did figure out this is a 440. It is from 1967, which may or may not be a good thing. Okay, so the Charger was completely tore down. All the body panels were removed and the interior was gutted. But now it needs to go back together because we are going to be starting Bodywork, and we need the panels on the car to do that. So I'll quickly roll some clips of us installing the driver's door. Now that the door's installed, it looks a lot more like a car again. And it's not perfect. We haven't got it perfectly fit yet, but it is looking pretty good. We also went ahead and threw on the front fender, and it also makes the car look more like a car again. It does look a little bit weird with this being fiberglass and the rest of the car being metal. But anyways, we're waiting until we get some bushings for this passenger door hinge, and then we should be able to install the passenger door and the front fender as well. In the meantime, my dad took the grill out of the front bumper assembly, and then we're gonna install the front bumper assembly back on the car. Once that's done, we can start bodywork, and boy, am I excited. I don't like bodywork. Okay, so I know that was a pretty short-lived video, but we're at a really boring stage with the car where nobody really wants to watch sanding on body panels for 10 minutes straight. So what I'll do for the last few minutes of this video is play some clips of the Charger when it was running and driving, because YouTube decided to give me a copyright claim on my video that I made, so I'll play it with some uncopyrighted music. I also promised donuts in the last video, and a promise is a promise, so roll the clips.